Keyshot Pro 2024 is a leading real-time 3D rendering and animation software known for its ease of use and high-quality output. It provides a fast and efficient way to create photorealistic images and animations from 3D models. The software supports a wide range of file formats, making it compatible with most 3D modeling applications. Keyshot Pro 2024 features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the rendering process, allowing users to quickly apply materials, adjust lighting, and set up animations. The real-time rendering engine provides instant feedback, enabling users to see changes in real time and make adjustments on the fly. This immediate visual feedback is invaluable for designers and artists who need to iterate quickly on their work. Advanced features such as HDRI lighting, material editing, and multi-layered rendering offer greater control and flexibility for achieving the desired results. Keyshot Pro 2024 also includes animation capabilities, allowing users to create dynamic visualizations and presentations. These animations can be used for a variety of purposes, from product demonstrations to marketing materials. The software's ability to handle complex scenes with ease makes it a popular choice for industries such as automotive, aerospace, and consumer products. Keyshot Pro 2024's integration with popular 3D modeling software ensures a smooth workflow, allowing users to import their models directly and start rendering immediately. The support for real-time ray tracing and global illumination results in highly realistic images, making it an indispensable tool for designers, engineers, and artists who require high-quality visuals for product development, marketing, and presentations. Overall, Keyshot Pro 2024 combines ease of use with powerful features, making it a top choice for professionals in need of reliable and high-performance rendering software.